Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change your password for your Bitget exchange account. Now let us begin. Well, right here this is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to change the password. At the top right, you can see the profile icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, do note that there are multiple options. But no need to get confused. All you guys need to do is simply click on security, and once you do, you will be redirected to the security tab. Initially, what you guys can see are the two-factor authentication settings, but right now what you guys need to do is simply scroll down, and right here in the advanced security tab, you can see something called as login password. Well, do you know that there are lots of other things you can look around, but right now all we are gonna focus on is this login password. Simply click on the edit button associated with login password. Once you do, what you guys need to do is simply enter your old password right here along with your new password and the confirmation. Simply enter all of them and hit on submit. I'm gonna enter all of them right now. As you can see, I have entered everything. Now once everything's okay, simply hit on submit, and that is it. Finally, all it's gonna ask for you is the security verification. I'm gonna enter it right now, and that is it. Once you've done that, simply hit on confirm, and that is it. As you can see, my password has been changed and I have been logged out of my account. Well guys, that is it. That's how you change your password for your Bitget account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.